the picture. Okay. So after inside the interface also have software update. In the software update, so inside here, your customer actually can update by themselves. Okay. So in the software, what you need to focus on is someone interrupt me the screen. How it happened? Okay. So in this update system, here is something I want to say is if your customer see the update, firmware update, app update, you must do this all this kind of update before the vehicle model. So actually this is a application for your tablet and the firmware upgrade before the vehicle model. So that's why uh, the software will run is smooth. So maybe some of people only see this vehicle Audi update and then oh he update but he left this firmware update. So that's why the software will become error. Okay, make sure you update. Okay. Okay, so in this diagnosis history, what's the purpose for our engineering do this? Some of the people their workshop very big, so there is maybe 10 or 20 car per day they diagnosis. So in this here, so if you having the diagnosis history, so the next day refer for that car mechanic still can using the diagnosis history to check this what's the problem with the last with the this car trouble code. Maybe there's people one like very like to clear trouble code. Once they clear, the next person who check this car, they totally don't know what is about with the car. So with the diagnosis history, once you click, you can see through this this hold on. It will show you the diagnosis trouble code for the for it. Okay. So this is the next for the my report. So on you can you have the report. Okay, so you have the report on the vehicle. So if you are facing a problem, sorry about that. Okay, so if you are checking the trouble code, then you can save a report for your company, just like an insurance company. They need the detail for that car. So in this inspection report, after you print it, or you can share directly with your email, with your Gmail. Okay, so just like this. Okay, so inside diagnosis function, okay, inside diagnosis function, there is the data for you to check. Actually, okay, actually this is the diagnosis data for them to check one by one in detail. Actually, detail just like a graph. Some of the O2 sensor maybe you need to check with the graph. So that's on you can use the graph for it. Okay. Okay. So on in here I want to show the special that maybe you not using it, but it have inside your diagnosis your diagnosis in here, so you can see it. There is a compare sample here. So in the compare sample, okay. So for the compare sample, once not every car you recognize it and you know the graph for this. Actually, this you can compare with good car and the bad car, problem car. So in here, so you can once you check with the new with the problem car, you hit the compare sample, and then you save this sample, and then sure you can compare with the same car, but it's okay. The car is okay, not any jerking, not any problem. So in this compare, actually very easy for a mechanic to find out what's the problem. Okay, so because some of the problem that it won't show up with the DDC with a trouble code, but if the trouble code no trouble code, how you want to check? So in here compare this data compare very easy. The mechanic can directly check it what's the problem. Oh, okay.